All rise. The Honorable Virginia L. Reed presiding.
Good morning. Please sit down. Welcome to the Baltimore City Circuit Court. You are in for a session on the fast track docket, and I am going to start with the guardianship matters. So calling in the matter of John Doe, case number 24T170000123. Parties, please identify yourself for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Janet Fetter with Fetter and Malinowski on behalf of the petitioner, Johns Hopkins Hospital.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. Matthew Stubenberg on behalf of Maryland Volunteer Lawyer Service for John Doe.
Okay, good morning.
Your Honor, as a preliminary matter, I would like to waive my client's right to be present as well as to a jury trial.
Okay, so noted. And counsel, how are we proceeding today?
Your Honor, we are proceeding by way of stipulation. Both parties are in agreement to the need of a guardian of person and property for Mr. Doe. And Your Honor, I have with me today original copies of the physician certificates to accompany the petition, if I may file them with the clerk.
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You marked petitioners 1 and 2. Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
Okay. So I have a proposed order from the magistrate. Have you come to agreement with who you'd recommend for guardian of the person and or property?
Yes. Your Honor, may I approach the witness?
Yes, you may.
Your Honor, I'm providing a copy of these photographs to opposing counsel. I'm showing you what has been pre-marked for identification purposes only as defendant's exhibits numbered 1 through 6. Are you familiar with the scenes in these photographs?
Yes.
How are you familiar with them?
I took these photos of my former apartment when I moved out.
Please tell me what they show.
They show that the kitchen was perfectly clean, nothing was left in the apartment, no holes in the wall, and the carpet is clean.
Are these photographs a fair and accurate depiction of your apartment at the time you moved out?
Yes.
Your Honor, I move that these photos be admitted into evidence as marked.
Any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
So admitted.
Please state your name and employer.
My name is Bob Ross. I work for ABC Property Management,
What is your business address?
123 Main Street, Baltimore, Maryland.
How long have you worked there?
3 years.
What do you do?
I am the account manager.
Does ABC Property Management keep records in the ordinary course of business?
Yes,
Are those records made at or approximately at the time by someone who's familiar with the account?
they are.
And are you the authorized custodian of those records?
I am.
Are you familiar with the account at issue today?
I am.
Your Honor, may I approach the witness?
Yes, you may.
Your Honor, I'm providing a copy of this document to opposing counsel. I'm showing you the document with pre-marked for identification purposes as plaintiff's exhibit number 1. Can you tell me what this is?
It looks like the lease ABC Management has with Vandelay Industries.
And who signed the lease?
Art Vandelay, president of Vandelay Industries, signed the lease.
How do you know it's his signature?
I watched him sign it.
Do you recognize this as the same document you watched him sign?
Yes, after I watched him sign it, I took it back to our office and sent it to my boss for her to sign.
Who else signed the lease?
Karen Walker, president of ABC Management.
How do you know it's her signature?
I've seen her sign many documents in the 3 years I've worked with ABC Management. This is the same signature, and then she sent it back confirming that she had signed it.
Your Honor, I move that this be admitted into evidence.
Any objections?
No objections, Your Honor.
Let the record reflect that the business records are deemed admitted.
Defense?
Your Honor, my client received a probation before judgment for CDS possession on February 2nd, 2015. Under the expungement statute, Criminal Procedure 10-105C8, the court is allowed to grant an expungement petition early in cases of probation before judgment, earlier than the 3 years on a showing of good cause, which is why we're here today.
Okay, I'll hear the good cause.
Your Honor, 2 years have already passed since my client received the probation before judgment for the CDS disposition, and my client has not been rearrested on any charges and currently has nothing pending. It should also be noted that there was a 1-year probationary period attached to the probation before judgment, and my client has completed that 1 year of probation and has fulfilled all of the requirements